Hello students, my name is MS Abdul Rasul. Today we are going to start isomerism in haloalkanes and haloarenes. So isomerism means what? Compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the structures and properties are called isomers, and the phenomenon is known as isomerism. This haloalkanes shows two types of isomerism. Number one is what a chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. Chain isomerism means this type of isomerism arises due to difference in the nature of the carbon chain. Example, I want to take here C4H9Cl. This molecule can be written as CH3CH2Cl, here CH3, and another one is written as CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2Cl. These two compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the length of the carbon chain. In this compound there are 4 carbon atoms are there in the longest chain. In this compound there are only 3 carbon atoms. That means what? They differ in the chain of the carbon compound. So that this is called what? A chain isomerism. The name of this compound is 1-chloro 2-methyl 1-chloro 2-methyl 2-methyl propane, 1-chloro 2-methyl propane, and this one is 1-chloro-butane, 1-chloro-butane. Both are having same molecular formula C4H9Cl but differ with the carbon chain, hence it is said to be what? Chain isomerism. Let us go to discuss about the position isomerism. Position isomerism means position isomerism. Position isomerism means compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the position of the substituent or side chains or functional group are called what? Positional isomerism. Position isomerism means compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the position of the substituent or multiple bond or functional group. So in the haloalkanes we have to take C3H7Cl. C3H7Cl we can write like this: CH3CH2CH2Cl. Here another compound we can write CH3CH3Cl here. Here the the position of chlorine atom is what? At the second position. In this compound there is a first position. Both differ with the position of the substituent. That means what? Compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the position of the substituent are called positional isomerism. So this is regarding about the positional isomerism. Next we have to go to discuss with the nature of CX bond. In the CX bond, here X atom is the halogen and carbon is the in between these two, halogen atom has more electronegative. Therefore, it gets partial negative charge and carbon gets a partial positive charge. That means what? Due to high electronegativity, the CX bond becomes what? Polarized. Because of polarization, carbon gets a partial positive charge and halogen atom gets what? Partial negative charge. Here, as the size of the halogen increases, as the size of the halogen, X atom increases, bond length bond length increases bond length increases and bond energy bond energy decreases bond energy decreases and dipole moment dipole moment dipole moment decreases dipole moment order in the methyl halides CH3Cl is greater than CH3F is greater than CH3Br is greater than CH3I. So in the methyl halides, the dipole moment order is CH3Cl is greater than CH3F and which is greater than CH3Br and CH3I. Important note here, you observe it. Fluorine, though it has more electronegativity, but its dipole moment is less than what methyl chloride. Why? Because of small size of fluorine atom. Fluorine size is small size, and electronic repulsions are more due to this repulsions are more due to this CH3F has less bond dipole moment than what CH3Cl. Methods of preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols by using HX. HX means what? Hydrogen halide. Alcohols, general formula of alcohols is ROH. ROH plus HX gives rise to RX plus H2O. RX plus H2O. This means alcohols reacts with hydrogen halides to form alkyl halides. So, comparison of reactivity, order of reactivity of hydrogen halides are IHI is greater than HBr is greater than HCl. So why? Because nucleophilicity order is also decreases with decrease the size of halogen atoms. Try to understand. But order of reactivity of alcohols, order of reactivity of alcohols are like this. 1 degree alcohols less reactive than 2 degree alcohols which is less than 3 degree alcohols. Why 3 degree alcohols are more reactive? Because they form stable carbocation. By using this one, we can say Groos method. In the Groos method, we can prepare the water alkyl chlorides ROH plus HCl in the presence of ZnCl2 gives rise to or Cl plus H2O. Here concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 is said to be what? Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent means the mixture of concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous ZnCl2 is the what? Lucas reagent. This Lucas reagent is useful to find out the order of reactivity of alcohols. So 1 degree alcohols, I want to take 1 degree alcohols reaction with Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. There is a no turbidity. No turbidity. Turbidity. 2-degree alcohols. 2-degree alcohols gives turbidity after 5 minutes. Turbidity after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes. Right, understand? Okay, 3-degree alcohols. 3-degree alcohols. With 3-degree alcohols, Lucas test. It gives immediately turbidity. Immediately gives what? Turbidity. That means what? 3-degree alcohols are very reactive. So this is the what? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Alcohols reacts with hydrogen halides. We will get alkyl halide. From alcohols, by using hydrogen halides, we are going to prepare the what? Alkyl halides. Methods of preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols by using PCl3 and PCl5 reagents. These PCl3 and PCl5 reagents are used as a chlorinating reagent. Suppose I want to take alcohols ROH plus PCl3. PCl3, 3 moles of ROH plus PCl3 gives rise to 3 moles of alkyl chloride plus H3PO3. H3PO3 is the water phosphorus acid. Taking the water reagent PCl5. PCl5 is the water phosphorus pentachloride. It reacts with the alcohol, gives water alkyl chloride and gives POCl3 and HCl. But alkyl bromides can be prepared by using ROH with PBr3. PBr3 we will get what? Alkyl bromides or Br plus H3PO3. 3 moles we have to use it. So alcohols reacts with PCl5 and PCl3, we will get alkyl chlorides. With PBr3 we can get alkyl bromides. Methods of preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols by using thionyl chloride. This reaction is known as Darjan's method. So alcohols ROH reacts with water thionyl chloride SOCl2 gives rise to RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay, I want to take an example here. CH3OH plus SOCl2. This is the water thionyl chloride reagent. We will get methyl chloride CH3Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. This HCl and SO2 both are gaseous products. Hence, the alkyl halide obtained by this method is alkyl chloride obtained by this method is very pure form. In this method, alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides do not prepared. Why? Methods of preparation of alkyl halides by halogen exchange method, that is Finkelstein's method. In this method, one halogen atom is replaced by another halogen atom. For example, I want to write ethyl bromide CH3CH2Br CH3CH2Br plus NaI gives rise to, in the presence of dry acetone, gives CH3CH2I plus NaBr. So equation ethyl bromide reacts with what? Sodium iodide. In the presence of dry acetone gives ethyl iodide. Bromine is the what? Alkyl halide. This bromine is replaced with what? Iodine. That means what? Halogens are exchanged by another halogen. One halogen is exchanged by another halogen. Students, the next method of preparation is what a halogen exchange method. This one is also halogen exchange method, but the name of the name reaction is what a Schwarz reaction. In the Schwarz reaction, we have to prepare the fluorohalogen compounds. Fluorohalogen compounds. The reaction is here 2C2H5Br plus Hg2F2. Hg2F2 gives rise to C2H5F, 2C2H5F plus Hg2Br2. Hg2Br2. This reaction is called what a Schwarz reaction. Here, this one is the what a fluorinating reagent. We can also use it as a fluorinating reagent SbF3 and AgF and COF. Right, understand? These are the what fluorinating reagents. Preparation of alkyl halides from alkanes. Alkanes are the what saturated hydrocarbons. These alkanes reacts with what chlorine. Chlorine in the presence of what sunlight or UV light gives haloalkanes. A series of haloalkanes are formed. For example, I want to write alkane general formula RX plus Cl2 gives rise to, in the presence of sunlight, gives RCl plus HCl. So this is the what alkyl halide. Taking the example methane gas. Methane reacts with what chlorine gives methyl chloride is formed. Methyl chloride plus HCl. This is the what chain reaction. It again reacts with what chlorine. CH3Cl plus Cl2 gives rise to CH2Cl2 plus HCl. Dichloromethane. This dichloromethane again reacts with what chlorine gives CHCl3 plus HCl. This is the trichloromethane. This trichloromethane again reacts with what chlorine gives CCl4 plus HCl. These are the what series of compounds are formed. The first one is the monochloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. These compounds are prepared by free radical mechanism. Free radicals are formed by means of sunlight. This free radical mechanism involves three steps. Number one step is what mechanism. Mechanism is number one. Step one is what chain initiation method. Chain initiation. In this one, chlorine molecule dissociate into chlorine free radicals. Free radicals are what? Free radicals are the species, odd number of electron species are said to be what free radical. Here homolytic cleavage of chlorine molecule gives what a free radical. Second step 2 is what a chain propagation reaction. Chain propagation is this chloride free radical reacts with what methane. Chloride free radical reacts with methane to form what methyl chloride and HCl. This methyl free radical again reacts with what chlorine gives methyl chloride and Cl free radical. This is the what chain propagation step. Next, chain termination step is possible when two free radicals are combined together. So suppose the two methyl free radicals combine together to form ethane gas C2H6. Suppose methyl chloride and chlorine free radical free radicals of methyl and chlorine gives methyl chloride. There ends the reaction. Suppose to give what are two chlorine free radicals combine together to form what a chlorine molecule. In this way, this last step is what a chain termination step. Chain termination step. Termination step. So free radical mechanism. Mechanism is the what a free radical mechanism. Free radicals are the what a free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism means what? For a odd number of electrons species are set to what? Free radicals. These free radicals are formed by homolytic cleavage of what? Covalent bond. Here chlorine free radicals are formed when in the presence of sunlight. Chlorine bond dissociate gives what? Two chlorine free radicals. This is the what? Chain initiation step. Next, second step, this is chain propagation step is the what? This chlorine free radical reacts with what? Methane molecule to form a methyl free radical. This methyl free radical again reacts with what? Chlorine molecule. So it gives what? Chlorine free radical. This is the what? Chain propagation step. And the third step, chain termination step. In this step, the two free radicals combine together to form a neutral molecule. Then their chain reaction is stopped. So possibilities of what free radicals are, there are two methyl free radicals combined together gives ethane. Then there is the end of the what chain reaction mechanism. Next, methyl free radical and chlorine free radical combine together to form what? Methyl chloride. There also end the reaction. And if two chlorine free radicals are combined together gives what? Chlorine molecule. This is the what? Chain reaction mechanism. So alkyl halides are prepared from alkanes. Alkanes general formula are H. Right? Hunsaker reaction. Methods of preparation of alkyl halides. Hunsaker reaction. Here in the Hunsaker reaction, silver salt of carboxylic acid reacts with what? Bromine in the presence of CCl4 gives what? Alkyl halides. So in the example of this reaction is what? RCOOAZ plus Br2 in the presence of CCl4 gives RCl or Br plus CO2 plus AgBr. This is the what? Hunsaker reaction. Hunsaker reaction, here alkyl halides are 1 degree alkyl halides are more possible formation of 1 degree alkyl is greater than 2 degree alkyl halides greater than 3 degree alkyl halides. Borden-Hunsaker reaction is the reaction between the what? Silver salt of carboxylic acid reacts with what? Bromine gives alkyl bromides. This is methods of preparation of alkyl halides. Seventh one is the what? Addition of halogen acids on alkenes and alkynes. So this addition is what? Electrophilic addition reaction. Suppose I want to take propene is the alkene, CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HCl gives 2-chloropropane is the major product. Why? Because this follows the what? Markovnikov rule. So this is the what? Electrophilic addition reaction. From alkyne, I want to write it. Alkyne CH3 C triple bond CH plus 2HCl. It also follows the what? MK rule. Then we will get here CH3 ClCl CH3. This is the what? Markovnikov product. But in the presence of what? Peroxides, it follows the what? Anti-Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov product. When methyl propene reacts with HBr, in the presence of peroxide, anti-Markovnikov product is formed. Anti-Markovnikov product means what? 1-chloropropane. 1-chloropropane is the major product. Markovnikov product means what? 2-chloropropane is the major product. What is the Markovnikov rule here? The negative part of the addendum goes to the double bonded carbon contains a less number of hydrogen atom is the what? Markovnikov rule. It follows the what? Electrophilic addition reaction. But in the reaction with the HBr in the presence of peroxides follows the what? Free radical mechanism. It follows the what? Anti-Markovnikov product. Here the product bromine, 1-bromopropane, 1-bromopropane is the formed. So this is the what? Anti-MK rule. Anti-MK rule follows. It follows the what? Anti-MK rule. Why? Because it follows the free radical mechanism. Method of preparation of alkyl halides by using the what? N-bromosuccinamide. N-bromosuccinamide is the one of the best reagent to prepare the what? Generally, it is bromination occurs at allylic and benzylic positions. So, what is the N-bromosuccinamide? This is the what? N-bromosuccinamide. N-bromosuccinamide. So, this compound is used for the bromination of allylic and benzylic position. Suppose I want to write CH3, CH2, CH3, CH double bond CH2. This is the what? Propene. Propene reacts with what? NBS. NBS means what? N-bromosuccinamide gives. So here bromine will be replaced here. CH double bond CH2. This is the what? Allyl bromide. Allyl bromide. Allyl bromide. So here what will happen here? Bromination takes place. Here this is the what? Substitution reaction, not addition reaction. So N-bromosuccinamide is used as the what? Allylic position. Here this is the what? Allylic position. Okay, another example I want to take toluene. This toluene molecule reacts with what? NBS. NBS means what? N-bromosuccinamide. Then we will get what here? This is the what? Benzyl bromide is formed. CH2Br. Here this is the what? Pi bonds are present here. This is the allylic position or benzylic position. This one is the allylic position and this one is the what? Benzyl bromide. So N-bromosuccinamide is the reagent which is useful to bromination takes place at the what? Allylic or benzylic position. Physical properties of alkyl halides. Boiling point, first one. For the same alkyl group, boiling point order is what? As follows. Ri is greater than, Rbr is greater than, Rcl is greater than Rf. For same halogen, boiling point decreases with increase the alkyl group. Alkyl group increases, boiling point will be decreases. Then degree of decreasing order of boiling points in the isomeric alcohol, 1 degree alkyl halides are more boiling point than what? 2 degree alkyl halides, which are more than what? 3 degree alkyl halide. And the physical properties, second physical property is what? Density. Density increases with increase the what? Size of the alkyl halide. Ri is greater than, Rbr is greater than, Rcl is greater than, Rf is greater than. Next, bond strength will be decreases with increase the size of the atom. CH3F is greater than, CH3Cl is greater than, CH3Br is greater than, CH3I. Physical properties, fourth one is the what? Dipole moment and fifth one is the what? Stability. So dipole moment order is what? CH3Cl, CH3Cl is greater than, CH3F is greater than, CH3Br is greater than, CH3I. Stability of alkyl halides As the size electronegativity increases, the bond strength will be increases. So top to bottom in a group, size of the halogen increases, Rx bond and bond strength will be decreases. Therefore the stability decreases. Rf is greater than, Rcl is greater than, Vr is greater than Ri.